Hello, Snowcast Cats here. So here we have Kim having a little game with this catnip toy. Sending her crazy, isn't it, Kim? Kim was our first ever British Shorthair cat. If you look at the videos of when she was a kitten, she was super playful, just like this. But she's a big girl now. Ooh. Kim. Where's your catnip toy gone? Where's it gone? Is it there? There it is. Look. There's always something nice to video at our house. Always something cute going on. I never plan my videos out. I just see what happens as the day unfolds. Because you never know which cat's going to do something super cute like this. And the thing is, we post cat videos every day to our channel. And if you like British Shorthair cats, consider subscribing and you can join us and cats like Kim every day. Can't they, Kim? They can join. She really likes this small little catnip. I need to buy some more of these, I think. Oh, she sneezed. Kim's got lovely eyes, hasn't she? Cute eyes. Okay guys, well, thanks for joining us today to spend some time with Snowcastle Cats, our little girl Kim, and we will see you in the next video. I hope you all have a good day. Take care. Bye.